Sandwiches. They're simple, delicious, and honestly, life-changing. If you pick the right one. But how do you know which sandwich in your city is worth your money? Today on Crave Mode Eats, we're diving into how to use online reviews to find the absolute best sandwich. No guesswork involved. Stop settling for mediocre lunch spots. Let's get you that legendary bite. Reviews aren't just stars, they're clues. A glowing review tells you what's actually amazing, and a negative one can save you from a soggy disappointment. Look for review volume, not just stars. A 4.2 with 500 reviews is often safer than a 4.8 with only 10 reviews. Read recent reviews. Restaurants can change recipes or chefs quickly. Check dish-specific mentions. People love sharing which specific sandwich is amazing. Pro tip: if 10 reviews say, "The pastrami melts in your mouth," you know that's probably the sandwich. Now, platforms. First, Google Maps. It's great for a quick star overview and seeing photos by real customers. Check directions, hours, and peak times to avoid the rush. Next, Yelp. Filter by open now, price, and sandwich type to narrow it down. Look at the most mentioned dishes section. Scan reviews for consistency. If everyone raves about the roast beef, it's legit. Finally, social media. Search your city plus sandwiches on Instagram or TikTok. Watch reels of people tasting sandwiches. You can almost taste it yourself. Foodies often share hidden gems first. Now let's talk about how to read between the lines. Ignore overly generic praise like amazing. You want specifics. Look for descriptive language: crispy bread, juicy roast beef, perfect sauce balance. Check reviewer credibility. Someone who posts detailed reviews regularly is more trustworthy. Pro tip: photos in reviews are gold. A sandwich that looks as good as the review says, that's a winner. Next, the sandwich score method. Here's a step-by-step process. Pick 3-5 sandwich spots nearby using Google or Yelp. Compare scores. Look at the average star rating for that specific sandwich, not the restaurant overall. Check social media buzz. If multiple creators highlight it, it's probably a must-try. Now, red flags to avoid. Lots of complaints about bread being stale or soggy? Run. Inconsistent reviews where some love it and others hate it usually mean it's hit or miss. Bonus: hidden sandwich gems. Search for local delis or family-owned spots. Use keywords like hidden gem or local favorite. They might have fewer reviews, but raving fans. So there you have it, your foolproof method. If this helped, like and subscribe to Crave Mode Eats for more tasty tips.